OneCNC CAD CAM made easy. In this example, let's take a look at rest machining. For this part, I've already applied a pocket operation using a 1-inch diameter end mill. Now, to machine these smaller fillets, let's use rest machining and a smaller diameter tool. All we're going to do is head over to our command manager, select our pocket operation, and all we need to do is select a smaller diameter tool. Let's use a 1/4 inch diameter for this example. I'm going to click Next, and over here where it says Rest Machine, all we need to do is select the machining operation that we'd like to apply the rest machining toolpath to. That looks great. Let's click Finish and let OneCNC generate the toolpath. Let's quickly simulate the toolpath to see the results. All this looks good. Now you're seeing the 1-inch diameter end mill perform its cut, and now we're switching to the 1/4 inch diameter end mill for the rest machining. OneCNC CAD CAM made easy. And don't forget to click the subscribe button.